Hello! Today I'm making a Scratch physics tutorial. In this video, I will teach you a very simple way to simulate physics with a bouncy ball. First things first, make a new Scratch project. Remove the Scratch cat and the myVariable variable. Create a new sprite and label it as ball. Before we start coding, open the costume editor and hold shift with the circle tool to make a perfect circle. Afterwards, click and drag it to the center of the canvas and make sure it snaps into place. Now for the fun part. Create two new variables for speed x and speed y. When the game starts, set both of these to 0 and begin a forever loop. Since gravity exists, the first thing we do is change speed y, which is for up and down, by -1. Also in the loop, change x and y by speed x and speed y. If you start the project now, the ball falls to the bottom of the screen. Gravity complete! Now on to bouncing. To bounce accurately, replace the change x and y blocks with custom blocks labeled change x by and a numerical input of x and change y by y. Make sure to enable run without screen refresh or this will run very slowly. In the custom block, repeat the absolute value of x. This is so that negative directions will still work. And while still inside the repeat block, change x by x divided by the absolute value of x. That's a lot of x's. But it's basically just a complicated way to say either 1 or -1 based on the values inputted. After movement, we need to check if the ball has hit anything by adding an if statement that detects if you're touching the edge. If it is touching the edge, we should quickly undo that movement by duplicating the previous movement and doing the opposite. After that, we should set the speed to a little less than the opposite of the current speed by multiplying it by -0.8. You can change this number if you want more or less friction. Then, duplicate the script and replace all of the x's with y's. This is the easiest to mess up part, but just replace all the x's with y's.